What?
It's unhealthy. I don't even care. I'm not moving.
Oh, dude, I just...
Fuck.
The rare druggy emo on a walk. Holy shit. Never seen him out in public.
What?
Nothing.
What'd you say?
Nothing.
Liar.
I know.
What'd you say?
Walking behind you, it's the rare druggy emo. Never seen him out in public.
Well.
Look at the guy shoveling. Look at him right there, right there. Oh, right. There. See him? I'm staring at the guy. Oh, there's two of them. Oh, shit.
Well, I got a train coming down the road.
Are you stupid? Really? I don't think we need this then. Look at the people. Shoveling. Oh, shit, guy.
Crazy! Fuck. Oh my god.
Going on a walk for some drugs.
That really sucks.
What?
I got dumped right now.
Oh my god! That'd be insane.
I'd be so pissed.
I'd be happy that I don't have any money on me. I'd be pissed I'd lose my iPod and my phone.
Yeah, I'd lose my iPod too.
And my phone.
I'd rip out my piercing.
What? That would suck.
Yeah. Don't even do it.
Yeah.
Fuck me.
You think we're walking down the wrong side of the road?
I don't care. I feel like we're in Antarctica or something.
Antarctica, huh?
It kind of feels like this is a frozen wasteland. Like, look around.
A winter wonderland.
Fuck! Winter hell!
Yeah.
It's not a wonderland.
Oh my god.
Oh. My nipples have never been so cold.
I can't feel my nipples. Or no, I don't. They're not cold. Yeah, that's what I was trying to say.
And my nose is giving me brain freeze. Fuck. Top it off, my spit is all sticky.
I'm starving like hell.
You can eat at my house.
Oh, I have pizza at home. I ordered some last night. So, what?
Eat it on the way.
Oh, I was plotting on it. Just munching out. They're the pre-munchies.
We're almost there.
No, now we got like 4 more blocks.
We're almost there. I'm looking positive.
Can we steal this truck?
Maybe. Should we?
No. It's not that close.
Get the.
No. No. I don't feel like going to jail.
Dude, I'll drive.
I don't want to. You can drive then. Go get it. I'll walk.
You would.
What?
You would just get like. You would just get charged for helping me.
Yeah.
I feel like this is like. What do you call it? What's that movie? That movie?
What movie?
The fucking. When like the world floods and then it freezes.
The day after tomorrow?
That feels like this.
But this, oh, I was gonna say the smell's higher, but then look around, it's like everywhere.
Doesn't it? We're all like cooped up like it too. I'm just waiting for some fucking wolves to come out. Dogs are pissed.
Or like Resident Evil dogs are all zombified.
Oh,
that'd be insane.
I'd start crying.
I'd probably trip you and run.
I'd start crying. Okay, my throat really hurts. I'm glad I didn't bring my cigarettes.
My nose hurts. Okay, we went
in the middle of the road.
You dumbass.
There's the dog.
Oh shit.
Oh god.
Start running.
Do not enter. What's the line for?
Look, I don't know.
I don't understand that.
Maybe the white glows when your headlights hit it and shit, so it emphasizes. I don't know.
The white glows?
Or maybe because I think that's the only sign with a random line like that. So that it emphasizes do not enter.
Oh, I think it's a minus sign. Like, negative, do not do it.
Holy shit, this guy's crazy. Look at this guy. This guy almost hit us. I think that's my uncle. That's not my uncle.
I should have jumped on it.
Oh, that would have been funny. Okay, I'm going this way. I know, I was just giving you shit. I know. Like I said, just giving you shit. That's right. Ah, it was the quickest. What?
I'll bend you over in the snow.
That's disgusting. Where's my house?
Oh.
I don't know, the car's on the other side. I said the car's on the other side, let me look. It should be over there. My uncle is though. Okay, let's go. He's upstairs anyways, he moved. This concludes our random stupid video.